Hello, this is Greg. This is an eBay sales video. I sell wall warts. Today I'm doing a video on this type right here, this style. They are, let me move this out of the way and get a little focus here. These ones here are 12 volt, 2.5 amp. The ground is on the outside. So we'll plug it in, grab the end, ground, power. Oh, come on. Figures. Turn on the video camera and lose a probe. All right, I don't care. Doing it live. Let's see. Here, 12.33. Nice and stable. You see that good on there? Yeah. All right. So we'll plug this baby into here. And we're getting 12.2. Adjustment there. There we go. And then we'll put the 2.5 amps through it. It's the amp gauge right here. .53 amps at 11.7 volts. It's drawing from the wall over here. 3.71 amps, so 372 milliamps is what it's pulling from the wall. I use these all the time in different projects. Sometimes the barrel jack works. If not, I just cut it off and wire it in solid. Just make sure you check your polarities. And I always like to sit here for, I don't know, just a few seconds just to see how it does, see if it stays, if the voltage jumps, and it doesn't. It usually does pretty good. And then I turn it down, and then when I cut off the power from the light bar, this should stay on for, at least a 1 or 2 count, like at least a second or so. If it just dies immediately, then the capacitors in the Wall Wart are weak, and I throw it away. Or I break them in half. I take the transformer out, and lots of times if I'm just bored, I'll tear them apart and see if I can find out, if it was a capacitor or exactly what was not reading properly. Anyway, not the point. So when I turn off the power, we'll watch that and see how long it stays on. I got almost a 3 count, 2.5, maybe 3 count. So that's a good one. I'll keep that one. Set it over here. And that's how I test them. I'll go through one more real quick. Just won't talk a lot, just get it done. Oh. There we go. 12.33. Stable. Excellent. Switches are down. Once I have this set up, and I'm doing a lot of these, I'm not on video, I don't change these knobs. I just plug it in because it's already set. But for the video, I think it's good for you to understand how I get to where I get. Or at least it's good for me to understand. And 11.7 volts. Nice. Okay, let's turn it off and cut the power. That is okay, acceptable, because this is still drawing power. It's still running this LCD and everything. That's why it dies off so quick. And it's it's not a, it's just something that I've noticed. And when I find one that just shuts off immediately, I cut the power and just bam, it just turns off. I don't sell those. So I want you guys to, anybody that buys something from me, I want you to get what you're getting. I want you to get the right thing, and I want it to work when you get it. So anyway, that is what I've been doing. That's how I test these, and they'll be for sale on eBay. I try to sell five pack, and you pay five pack $5, and you pay the shipping. So, thanks for watching. Thank you more for buying. Have a great day.